Selma Blair was all smiles as she walked alongside her 10-year-old son Arthur at the premiere of her new documentary. See the sweet pics. Selma Blair has proved she's such a proud mom, gushing over her mini-me son Arthur at the Los Angeles premiere of her new documentary. The actress, 49, walked the red carpet in a glittering silver gown featuring a halter neck and deep, plunging V. However, it was her 10-year-old son who stole the spotlight. He's super handsome. He got a haircut tonight. He had long hair with a lot of highlights that I really loved, but he wasn't big on brushing it. So I said goodbye to it, and he was fine, Selma said of her son, while talking to ET at the premiere. She paired her sequin dress with a short, blonde bow and a bold red lip, while Arthur cut a smart figure in a tiny blue suit jacket, khaki trousers and red Nike sneakers. "I've never worn a dress like this," the Legally Blonde actress said of her old Hollywood-style gown. "I saw it and I thought, oh no, I couldn't, but then I did, to be getting ready with people and out and, to put on a sequin gown. I'm thrilled. I feel great." Selma is in remission in her ongoing battle with multiple sclerosis, also known as MS, which is chronicled in the documentary, Introducing Selma Blair. The film from director Rachel Flight offers a candid look at Selma's battle with the illness, and treatments she's undergone. "The reason I love movies so much is, I am a storyteller. That is just what I love," Selma explained on the red carpet. "So this was really a way of sharing with everyone, because that has always helped me." The film is set to theaters and on Discovery Plus on October 21, 3 years after she first revealed she had been diagnosed with the autoimmune disease. "I was told to make plans for dying. Not because I have MS, because I'm fighting MS," Selma said in the trailer. She later added, "I've been given a second chance at life. I promised myself I wouldn't judge the process, and I'm judging the process. Everything beautiful that I've known, that I've encouraged other people, will it be true for me too?" Related gallery. Celebs with multiple sclerosis, Christina Applegate, Selma Blair, and more.